responsible for, wait, okay, so where to start? First of all, we need to define what reliability is, and in our terms, reliability is an ability of a platform, of a system, to survive failures and keep working smoothly in a given period of time. And a preferred period of time is always. For example, we have a Friday evening, we have a rush hour, and we have a holiday at Friday evening. And everyone wants to go to the city center for family dinner, for some kind of celebration. So we have a rush hour, we have spikes in rides, so we have a spike in CPU load. But we are still working. That means we are reliable. Okay. So next, I want to give you a context. What is Yandex Taxi? First of all, 25% of Uzbekistan population uses it. Second, technically, it's 1,000 database clusters. That's a lot. Third, we have a microservice architecture, and we have more than 1,000 microservices. What is a service, or what is a microservice? Well, when you open the app, you see, for example, order button. That's one service. We have, you see, color of the car. It's a second service. Or for example, when the driver receives the order, it's a third service. And we have thousands of them. So it's a distributed system. It's complex. That's main point, it's complex. And at a peak load, we have 600,000 requests per second on our load balancers. That's how we do. Okay, next important thing, we work across the Uzbekistan, and at every major city, being biggest city being Tashkent, and most important for our business is Tashkent. I will talk later why it's important. So every geography has its own reliability issues at different times. Okay, next, meet our team. We have a three team, most important for reliability, but every backend engineer, every engineer at Yandex Go works somehow for reliability. So my team can go to every engineer at Yandex and ask him for some reliability feature. First thing is SRE, Site Reliability Engineer. This term is coined by Google, I think 10 to 15 years ago. The system engineers who are responsible for databases, for infrastructure, for traffic, for load balancer, so they operate infrastructure at scale. Second team is software engineers who code reliability features into the product, and they code reliability tools. I will be speaking a bit further. And third team, last but not least, one of the most important team, coordinators. Not all companies have coordinator team, but they have. Who are they? Okay, coordinators team are senior software developers, usually team leads, who know very good some part of order cycle of taxi. So they're experts, they have expertise, and they're responsible 3 days per month. They're responsible for all incidents across Yandex Taxi. So right now, my teammate, because I'm a part of this team, I'm a part of coordinators team too, and I have 3 days per month. I have 24 hours per day duty, on-call duty, and we're responsible for every issue. So we need to coordinate and to fix it, to create incident, etc. So it's a coordinator team. So we choose some kind of senior developer. So you can be too. Everyone can be a coordinator too. Okay, next